Hello everyone, let's dive into the unusual weather in the UK this November. This month has started off with a surprising twist, catching many off guard. Instead of the usual chilly winds and grey skies, the month is starting with a burst of mildness. The streets are filled with people enjoying the unexpected warmth, and parks are bustling with activity. Many are leaving their winter coats in the closet, thanks to a warm southwesterly airflow from the Azores. This airflow is bringing in subtropical air, creating an unusual weather pattern for this time of year. This river in the sky is pushing subtropical air across the UK, making it feel more like late September than early November. The skies are clearer, and the air is warmer, creating a pleasant atmosphere. Daytime highs are several degrees above average, with some southern areas nearing record warmth. People are taking advantage of the sunshine, spending more time outdoors, and enjoying the extended autumn. Even nights are mild, so the usual morning frost and windshield scraping are missing. This has made mornings more pleasant and commutes easier for many. This gentle start is delaying the onset of true winter, letting autumn linger a bit longer. The vibrant autumn colors are still on display, and people are making the most of this extended season. But is this a sign of a mild winter, or just a brief warm spell? Meteorologists are watching closely. They are analyzing data and looking for patterns to predict what the rest of the season might hold. Let's look at what the first half of this surprising November has in store for the UK. Stay tuned as we explore the forecasts and what they mean for the upcoming weeks. The first week of November, from the 4th to the 10th, brings truly exceptional warmth. In the south, places like London could see highs of 17 or 18 degrees Celsius, more like spring than November. Even northern Scotland is mild, with highs around 10 or 11 degrees. Nights are especially warm, with lows staying near 13 to 15 degrees, close to breaking records. The entire country is experiencing a delayed start to winter, with the southwesterly airflow blocking colder Arctic air. The peak warmth hits mid-week, then a slow cooling trend begins, but temperatures remain above average. This week will be remembered as one of the mildest starts to November across the UK. Let's see how this warmth affects rainfall and regional weather. While temperatures are mild everywhere, rainfall divides the country. Western Scotland, northwest England and Wales get frequent, heavy rain as moist Atlantic air rises over high ground. In contrast, central and eastern regions, like London and the Midlands, are much drier, sheltered by a rain shadow. The west faces saturated ground and possible local flooding, while the east enjoys dry, sometimes sunny spells. This classic wet west, dry east pattern is especially pronounced now. By the weekend, high pressure builds, bringing drier weather for most. After a wet start for some, the weekend's on a drier, milder note. The strong southwesterly flow brings breezy conditions, but nothing too severe. Coastal and highland areas feel the wind most, with gusts up to 40 miles per hour in the north, but no major hazards. Inland, winds are moderate, enough to scatter leaves, but not cause disruption. The wind is a constant reminder of the active weather pattern, but not a threat. As the week progresses, rising pressure calms the winds and reduces rain chances. By the weekend, high pressure settles things down, making for a more tranquil end to the week. The breezy start gives way to a calmer, more settled pattern. As we move into the second week, November's warmth fades and a cooler trend sets in. The southwesterly flow weakens, letting cooler air gradually return. High pressure becomes more influential, shifting the weather towards a more settled, typical November pattern. Daytime highs drop to 6 to 10 degrees in the south. Still near or slightly above average, but a noticeable change. The jet stream moves south, allowing cooler northern air to influence the UK. The dramatic warmth is gone, replaced by a gentle return to seasonal norms. The exact position of high pressure will shape local conditions, but the overall trend is clear. The weather is returning to a more familiar November feel. Let's see how this shift affects rainfall and day-to-day life. The second week brings a clear shift. Temperatures drop, and autumn's mildness gives way to classic November chill. The air source becomes more variable, ending the steady warmth. Rainfall remains heavier in the west, but high pressure brings more dry spells, especially in the east. Central and eastern areas may see settled, cloudy weather, while the northwest still faces occasional rain. The sunny, mild days are replaced by overcast skies and cooler air. No extreme weather is expected, but the days grow shorter and the air more brisk. It's a transition from lingering autumn to the first hints of winter. Time to prepare for colder, darker days ahead. With cooler air and longer nights, frost and fog return in the second week. The mild nights are gone. Now, many will wake to frosty mornings, especially in rural areas. Ground and even air frosts become more common, signaling winter's approach. Gardeners must protect plants, and drivers should prepare for icy windshields. High pressure brings calm, clear nights, perfect for fog to form, especially in valleys. Dense fog patches may slow morning commutes, so caution is needed. As for snow, it's not in the cards. Temperatures aren't cold enough, except perhaps for a few flakes on Scotland's highest peaks. For most, the first signs of winter are frost and fog, not snow. The season's change is subtle, but unmistakable. How do we predict these weather shifts so accurately? The answer lies in a fascinating blend of science, technology, and human expertise. Every day, meteorologists across the UK and around the world work tirelessly to turn raw data into reliable forecasts that help us plan our lives, from what to wear to how to travel safely. It's all thanks to advanced technology and powerful computer models. These systems process vast amounts of information, including temperature, humidity, wind speed, and atmospheric pressure, collected from satellites, weather stations, and even aircraft. Meteorologists use global models like the GFS, ECMWF, and the UK Met Office's own, each simulating the atmosphere's future in slightly different ways. These models are built on decades of research and are constantly being refined to improve their accuracy. By simulating the atmosphere's future, these models can predict everything from gentle autumn showers to sudden storms, giving us a glimpse into what the coming days might hold. Ensemble forecasting, running models with slightly different starting points, shows a range of possible outcomes and helps gauge confidence. This approach helps meteorologists understand the level of uncertainty in a forecast so they can communicate risks more clearly to the public. Artificial intelligence is now speeding up forecasts, making it possible to analyze more data more quickly than ever before. AI can spot subtle patterns in the data that humans might miss, leading to earlier warnings and more precise predictions. By learning from decades of historical weather data, AI delivers quick, accurate predictions, adapting to new trends and unusual weather events as they happen. Combining traditional models with AI gives forecasters a clearer, more reliable picture. This teamwork between human experts and cutting-edge technology means forecasts are not only faster, but also more dependable. Billions of calculations and expert analysis turn chaos into a trustworthy forecast. Behind every weather update is a blend of science, technology, and experience, working together to make sense of our ever-changing skies. This technology lets us spot trends early, so everyone can prepare for what's ahead, whether it's a sunny spell, a sudden downpour, or a chilly snap. The result? Forecasts you can trust, even in a month as changeable as this one. Thanks to the latest advances, we're better equipped than ever to face whatever the weather brings. As November 2024 begins, the UK finds itself at the crossroads of two distinct weather stories. The first half of the month is set to unfold in two chapters, one marked by an unseasonable, almost spring-like warmth, and the other by a return to the more familiar chill of late autumn. This contrast will shape not only the landscapes, but also the daily routines of people across the country. The opening days are expected to bring a remarkable spell of warmth, with temperatures soaring well above the seasonal average. It's the kind of weather that might tempt you to leave your heavier coats at home and enjoy the outdoors a little longer, as parks and gardens remain vibrant with lingering autumn colors. Particularly in the south, nights will feel unusually mild, and some areas may even challenge long-standing temperature records. The gentle warmth will be a welcome surprise for many, offering a final chance to enjoy late evenings outside before the true cold sets in. However, this warmth comes with a catch. The west will see its fair share of rain, as moist air sweeps in from the Atlantic, bringing showers and damp conditions to hills and valleys. Umbrellas and waterproofs will be essential for those venturing out, especially in regions prone to sudden downpours. As the second week of November approaches, a noticeable shift arrives. Temperatures begin to dip, and the first real hints of winter make their presence known. Early risers will spot frost glistening on leaves and grass, while fog may linger in the countryside, creating a classic November atmosphere. The landscape transforms as trees shed their last leaves and the air grows crisper. People bundle up in scarves and hats, their breath visible in the chilly morning air. The UK slides gently, almost imperceptibly, into the embrace of winter. Early in the month, it's wise to dress in layers and keep an umbrella handy, especially if you're in the west where rain is more likely. The unpredictable nature of the weather means you could experience sunshine, showers, and a sudden chill, all in one day. By mid-month, it's time to dig out those warmer coats and start preparing your home for winter. Check your heating systems, stock up on essentials, and be ready for frosty mornings that may require a little extra time before heading out. Remember, a mild start to November doesn't guarantee a gentle winter ahead. The UK's weather is famously unpredictable, and rapid changes can catch even the most prepared off guard. Winds can shift quickly, bringing sudden bursts of rain or unexpected sunshine. It's this ever-changing nature that makes British weather so unique, and sometimes so challenging to plan for. Meteorologists are keeping a close eye on the latest data, watching for any signs of a major shift that could bring early snow or storms. For now though, the transition into winter looks to be gradual rather than abrupt. Expect subtle changes, cooler breezes, longer nights, and a slow but steady move towards winter's embrace. The shift may not be dramatic, but it will be unmistakable as the days pass. So, stay informed, and make the most of the last mild days. Enjoy walks in the crisp air, savor a hot drink outdoors, and take in the beauty of autumn before winter truly arrives. November 2024 is a vivid reminder of the UK's incredible weather variety. From sunshine to showers, from warmth to frost, each day brings something new. Embrace the changes, and let the shifting seasons inspire you to adapt and enjoy the moment. Keep an eye on the forecast, stay flexible, and you'll be ready for whatever this unusual and memorable November has in store.